Hi everyone. Today's video is made on a very special occasion of Independence Day, and I had decided that I wanted to do a video. In fact, I generally do my videos on Saturdays or Fridays, but this is the first time that I'm doing it on a Sunday. There's a special reason for it. Uh, I have been in this practice for a very long time, and the reason that I've been in this practice is mainly I was looking for my identity. I wanted to create an identity of my own, and I wanted to make it a little different. I always believe that if you see the masses going on one direction, towards one direction, and a few people going on the other direction, I always feel that the ones who have taken the route of the other, where there are lesser people, or maybe two, three of them are going that direction, you should take that route. Mainly because, not because of anything else, because I really feel that in today's world, people don't think, and that is why we are in a state that we are. Nobody is thinking. I have, what I have realized is, if we have a definite aim, and if we know what we are trying to look at, or what we are trying to achieve in our life, that the desired effect, that particular energy, is also waiting for us to be there. Like you and I, we both exist. But till the time I upload this video on YouTube, you don't know that I exist. You don't know that I'm thinking this today. And I am being able to reach out to you today is just because we have this particular method of coming, in contact with you. Till the time I am not in contact with you, that means I don't exist for you. In the same way, the desired uh, the desired goal that I am trying to create or I am trying to achieve, till the time I don't achieve that goal is not there, and that goal is also waiting for me to achieve that. So if you're looking for money, money is also looking for you. If you're looking for a particular person, that person is also looking for you. If you're looking for a particular job, that job is also looking for you. This is something to do with uh, psycho-cybernetics, but I think it's a very simple thing. A lot of times we say that we are thinking about a certain person, and that certain person also calls up at the same time. So that means we were thinking about that person, and that person was thinking about us. Now we also say, when we are dreaming, if you're dreaming about somebody, that somebody is also thinking about us. So we are meeting in the dream. If you're dreaming about somebody, and that somebody is, for example, not there in this particular vibration or not there in this particular realm, a lot of times we think about our ancestors. A lot of times we think about the deceased, or we get dreams of the deceased. That means we are meeting them in a different realm. I am a very strong believer of that. Most of the times I see people don't achieve something is only because they do not stick to what they have planned to achieve. So the first thing is, you have to write down your goal and stick to it till the time you get there. A lot of times what happens is, no matter how willed we are, how strong willed we are, our circumstances, our situations do not allow us to stick to that, because we are acting upon our sensory basis, what we are seeing, what people are saying, we are listening to that, and what others are thinking, what others are talking to us, we are thinking more about that, and then we, leave whatever we want to do in between. But the secret behind any successful person today, you would look at it, or even if you ask them, I have spoken to many successful people, and one common thing I've found about them is they have all gone through very troubled times in their life, and they have almost to a point of, where they were about to give up, and they did not give up, and the next step has been success. So what I'm trying to say is, just a point before that you almost lose hope and almost lose everything in your life, that time comes. If you don't give up at that point of time, is when you actually receive what you are trying to desire. Definitely, you need to have that burning desire for you to achieve whatever you want to achieve, because without that burning desire, you will never be able to achieve what you want to achieve. It needs to be burning inside you. The reason why, I thought of making this on a Sunday, it being Independence Day, firstly, because we were talking about being independent. If we obviously have our goals, in most cases, which is to do with money, most of the times, because I really feel that if you have money, you have a lot of free time to do whatever you want to do. So success has nothing to do with money. But yes, money is just a commodity, is an energy which gives you the rest of it that you're looking for. So in the sense that if you're looking for good health, you need money. If you're looking for a better environment to live in, you need money. If you want to give your kids the best of education, you need money. If you want to learn something new, you need money. If you want to educate yourself, you need money. Knowledge requires a lot of money. And knowledge requires a lot of time too. So if you can achieve that amount of money that you're looking at, then you can improve your life and invest on yourself a lot more than if you're not making that money. So being independent is of thoughts. Just stick to your goals, don't give up. For me, I always believe that I have my the 5 fingers. These are the elements, the 4 elements, and this is the spirit element. So like the 5-pointed star, we have the 5 elements in our body. Whatever we have in the universe, we have in our body too. And for me, I have seen, I take my thumb, because without the thumb you cannot really do anything. So I take my thumb as the spiritual base. One of the energies that I wanted to talk about today is Sorat, which is the adverse effect, or the adverse energy, as we would say, in the left hand part, the demonic entity of the sun, which is Sorat. So that is why I did this video on Sunday. And coincidentally, today is also Independence Day. Like the sun, it has its own time. It gives life to everybody. It gives its energy to everybody. Without the sun, we are nothing. So same way, I think, you can start, if you're looking for major transformations in your life, if you see that you have your goal, which is like really high above, and you require that energy, that amazing blazing energy of the sun, you can start your work with Sorat. It's a very difficult energy to work with, I believe, and because sun can burn everything. If you want to get purified, if you want to get transformed, if you want to go to the next level, if you want to transform yourself completely, if you want to purify yourself completely, if you want to filter the people who are around you, if you want to filter the work you're doing, if you have that burning desire to be the best in whatever you're doing, Sorat is the energy you need to work with. And today, I'm sure you can do your work, or you can do your finding out as far as Sorat is concerned. It's not a very popular demon to work with, but it's a very difficult demon to work with, because it's a demonic energy which is like very, very strong as the power of the sun. Also, I would suggest that before you start working with this particular energy, you would just probably would like to draw out the sigil on a paper and put it under your pillow before you start working, and see how this energy is actually working with you or interfering with you, or how is it giving you energy before you start your work with it. And definitely I would like to give a quick word on this as far as precaution is concerned. The dabblers, please don't dabble into it. If you are a serious practitioner, if you are serious on your path, if you're serious about the left hand path, and if you're serious about the transformations, then only please go ahead with it. It's a lovely energy to work with. Nothing can stop you after that from achieving your goals. Nothing can stop you from being in that level that, I think you'll really get that satisfaction once you start working with this kind of an energy, because it's a lovely, lovely, lovely strong energy to work with, and you love it. So today, let's take an oath and let's all say together that let's stick to our goals. Let's be the ones that we want to be, no matter who comes on our path, whichever enemy comes across our path, crosses our path. How many ever times they would like to stop us from achieving what we want to achieve. We are not going to stop at anything. Let's continue our, let's burn the flames within. Let's purify ourselves within. And let's go ahead and achieve whatever we want to achieve.